My name is Allon Dafner, and I'm leading the pre-sale team for the Amdocs IoT business unit, which is part of the Amdocs product group. I've been with Amdocs for like 10 years now, and Amdocs, as you may know, is the leading provider of the business support system, operational support system, all of the complicated systems that help the mobile operators of the world, the entertainment providers, to provide the user experience, the customer experience that they want to give to their customers, to the consumers. I think the consumers start to see the value. They start to understand the value that there is in the connected devices and the Internet of Things, if you will. But the value is not just in the devices itself. It's in the end-to-end experience. It's in the end-to-end services that consumers are getting. For example, think about a connected car. Without the services that you get, the navigation services, the entertainment services, and all of that, it's just a connected car. And to achieve that, we need to have integration. We need to have a seamless experience of all the multiple players that are in there. So in terms of vision, today it is very siloed, it is very disconnected. But when you look at the future, when you look at the vision, all of these multiple ecosystem players, the device manufacturers, the service creators, the service providers, the mobile operators, everything will need to be integrated into a seamless experience that will provide the user the converged and integrated experience that they expect in order to get the value out of all this connected world as we see it starting to happen today. When both our companies understood the integrated vision and the seamless experience that is needed, we looked into the first step of this seamless experience, and this is the activation and the life cycle of the eSIM, getting the connected device to actually be connected to a mobile network. And today all this experience is very cumbersome. It is cumbersome for the user themselves. Just think about most companies, what they do, they take this QR code, this digital QR code, and they put it on plastic. But it should be digital. So we understood it in Amdocs. Gemalto understood the same, and we joined forces to create an integrated end-to-end experience for the eSIM lifecycle, the activation, the swap, all of that. And as the market leaders, we created a product that is comprised of the Gemalto eSIM provisioning software, the SMDP Plus, forgive the abbreviation, and the Amdocs Orchestrator, the part that knows how to connect to the Gemalto part, to connect to the business support system of the operator, to the operational side, and create one seamless experience that goes all the way from the device to the billing, to getting the money out of the services provided. So Amdocs brings the knowledge of the business side, and Gemalto brings the knowledge of the security and the network side, and together we built a joint solution that is much more, and it brings much more value than just the two parts of it. I think you can see benefits from multiple angles. If you look from the consumer point of view, we provide a digital experience. You can download the eSIM to your device without going to any plastic or going to any shop. You can manage the whole life cycle of the eSIM. Just think about the need for a swap. When you have a plastic SIM, you take the little pin, you take the SIM out of your one device, you put it in the other device, and you're done. When you are talking about an eSIM or a virtual SIM, doing this very simple swap is much more complicated. And this is one of the things that we bring in our joint solution, the entire enablement of this life cycle of a virtual SIM. We also bring value for the mobile operator. The integration between all these processes and the existing business processes of the operator is not trivial. We bring a single point of integration for the entire mobile operator systems, both the business systems, operational systems, into our solution, and we take out all the integration effort that you need to do when you bring each and every new device into the system. We provide monitoring. This is a virtual operation, this is a digital operation. So both the consumer can see what is happening, the operator can see what is happening, the support can understand what went wrong if something went wrong, and so on. We do it in a future-proof manner. I mean, the standards are still changing. GSMA publishes a new standard for eSIM every few months. We follow the standards, we hide all these changes and turbulence from the operators and from the need to do costly change requests in the existing systems when something changes. We do all that in a software as a service solution, a SaaS solution. We put our systems on the cloud, we provide the service, very low cost to put the service in, very low risk, pay-as-you-grow approach. You can start today and grow when eSIM starts to grow. And we're ready for a pilot or a production deployment today. Amdocs and Gemalto decided to join hands, to join forces and create this integrated solution that provides the full digital eSIM management experience, both for the end consumer and for the operators, for the mobile operators.